So we all must have heard of the famous Pythagoras theorem. AB square plus BC plus BC square is equal to AC square is the term which we all have heard. So what is the actual proof to it? Today in this video I am going to tell the proof for the Pythagoras theorem. So a first step will be to build a right angle triangle at B, namely triangle ABC. So let us construct the triangle. This is a hypotenuse, base and perpendicular. Point A, then we come to the point B and then the C. This is to show that point B is right angled, angle ABC is right angled, and to basically ease in our calculations and or shall I say proofs, we shall give give the side AB the name small a, BC, B, AC as C. So to clarify it, A, B and C. So now we have made such a triangle and we need four such types of triangles, so multiplied by 4. And then what our next step is going to be that we are going to construct our first two squares which are of equal sides, so therefore they also have equal area. Now what our next step is going to be that we are going to place all these four triangles in such a way in both the triangles that we come to the proof of the Pythagoras theorem itself. So what we are going to do that we are first going to get to square 1 and place these squares there, rectangles sorry. Then this is a rectangle which is formed by the conversion of two triangles which we earlier named. So as you can see in the figure, we have made four triangles. So as we can see that this side is the AB side. So we are going to name it as A, and so is the other one as A, and now when we look to the other leftover area of the square, its base side is equal to our side as BC. So earlier we had named it B. So here also we are going to write it as B. So this is the region where we are concerned with. This is the square basically, two squares which we are concerned with. So to clarify a bit, we will make the second square, which is just the supplementary of the first one. So what we are going to do is that the second one will be having the same position of the triangles to form two rectangles. So as we can see that the above triangle square formed will be having an area of B square, as you can see, as it has all the sides of B, and the lower one formed will be going to have an area F as of A square. So this is our square one complete as of now. So now we move on to our next square. So it is going to be nothing different, but the position of the triangles will be in a different way. In this square, we are going to place the triangles in the four corners of the square, as you can see. So basically, we are going to have the hypotenuse side towards the interior of the square, forming the interior square. So side AC, that is C. So just we are going to name them C. This is also going to be C, C and C. So our next step is going to be as simple as that. We are going to just write the area of the shaded region, as you can see from here, and this the area of this shaded region is going to be equal to C square, since the square formed has all its sides as C. Just going to construct it again. Yeah, so C square. So now what we are going to do is that, as we know that we are going to shade the region of the four triangles, and it is just common for us to know that the shaded region of both the squares is going to be equal, since we have taken four triangles of equal area, of equal base, hypotenuse and uh, height. So now the from this figure we can also notice the thing that if the shaded region is equal, then the unshaded region, that is a square, b square and c square, is also going to be equal. So from here we come to the fact that a square plus b square, that is the unshaded area, so is equal to c square. Yeah, so we can just formulate with the first proof that we had written. So we can convert it from a square plus b square is equal to c square to ab square plus bc square equal to ac square, since side ab was taken as a, side bc was taken as b and side ac was taken as c. So finally we have come to the proof of the Pythagoras theorem, and I thank everyone for seeing the video, and if you like the video, please share and like and subscribe the channel.